Hello, are you here to bring yourself? Are you friendly? Oh, she's friendly. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my god, she just came over just like that. Oh, what a nice kitty she is. Oh, she loves me readily. Oh my. Can I touch your head? What's your name, ma'am? You're so cute. She's rubbing her head to my back as well. Hi. Oh, do we know each other? Oh, she's getting so friendly. Oh my god. She's climbing on my clothes. I have to restrain her. My. You want to take the phone? Oh, she's rubbing on my phone, my bag. What a friendly little girl she is. You're so nice. You're so pretty. Oh my god, she's so excited. Want to check the phone? Oh my. This girl is so cute. Your brain? Oh my, she's rubbing herself against me so aggressively. Like she owns me already or something. She's lying down on my lap. God, what a precious girl she is. In the mosque I've met her in. Look at this girl. Oh God, she's gonna go with me to home today. It's quite an affectionate cat, little. I think she's been waiting for some affection all her life. You're a good girl, huh? You're a good girl. You're a good girl. She's in the mosque. Acha, I got to go. Okay, I need to study. Bye bye. Oh my girl. Oh, just look at her. Mashallah. Literally, she's not my pet. I just met her at the mosque. Can I go now? Ma'am, can I go now? I mean, look at your polish. Oh, she sneezed. Bless you. Bismillah. Is that enough for today? Can I go now? I'll go. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. My God, how intelligent she is. Bye bye.